The highly anticipated staging of Sting 2024 has been cancelled. This is Link's 007 TV Entertainment Update, and we'll be right back with the full details of this. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link's 007 TV Entertainment Update. The 2024 staging of Sting, scheduled for Boxing Day at Jamworld Entertainment Center, has been cancelled just hours before it's set to take off. Laing, head of Supreme Promotions Ltd, expressed disappointment, revealing that the event had to be called off after Clear Sound Production Services Group, a major production partner of the event, withdrew at the last minute from the event. It's not immediately clear up to the publication of this report whether or not a new date will be set before the end of the year, as many fans are now awaiting for the Vybz Kartel Freedom Street concert, scheduled for the National Stadium on December 31st. Supreme Promotions did not provide any further details as it relates to the cancellation of the show. However, Link's 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later report. Thanks for watching.